Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Skype. To know how to fix not working on Skype, you should just go to settings as you see and you click. After that, in this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you'll enter to the window of Skype as you see. Here in this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. After that we'll enter to storage, then we click clear cache. Here we click clear data, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.